How to stop eating your nai. Nai biting yabada bita kan no only make your look sightly, but if you beat your nai badly on ug, you ma permanently damage your nai, your tête, or even your gum. Many people deal with the problem, so you're no alone. If you are tired of stubby and bleeding nai treat the simple remedy to promote normal and beautiful nai growth. Maintaining healthy nai. Try yourself to a manicure often as you can. You have earned a manicure for reaching your goal to stop eating your nai. No to mention, having nai polish on ma push back purge to beat your nai, since you don't want to beat into nai polish or ruin your manicure. Once your nai are in great shape, you should focus on keeping them away, and the best way to show off your shiny new nai to get a manicure. Show it to manicurist about having great nai. You're allowed to brag. Keep your nai relatively short. A simple manicure can help maintain your healthy nai, and so will keeping them relatively short and preventing yourself from beating them more. If you have an eye surplus growth, que your nai back. Keep clipper with you all time. You can beat after nothing turn. Push your cuticle back from time to time. Many nai beater do no have moon not base of surfanger nai because their cuticle have no been pushed back. To dirty, gently push your cuticle toward your finger to reveal more of your nai. T easy to do after show when your hands on nai are wet. Mieux make the nai a parlonger, and it give a more attractive shape, which might also be motivation to stop eating. Maintain a healthy diet. A healthy diet will help you feel better overall and will help your nai repair and grovel. Yet calcium and magnesium rich food so that your nai will repair and grovel. No only that, but most of the reasons that the human body want to beat nai a lack of calcium and magnesium in the body. The body need a material back. Egg, soy, or whole grain, and liver are also helpful to nai. Sulfur mineral found in apple, cucumber, grape, garlic, asparagus, and onion all help consist growth. Essential fatty acids, ORFA, are found in tuna fish, salmon, shellfish, leafy vegetable, nutanseed. They are needed for human metabolic process and help keep nai shiny and pliable. Celebrate your nai success. Don't be afraid to show off your new nai to your friends, or even to people you don't know very well. Show them your hands and say, can you believe you to have a nai beating problem? Take a photo of your hands and enjoy a good look. You can even hang them up, or hang them next to a photo of your ragged before nai to show that you are capable of making a big change in your life. Keeping your hands and mouth busy. Fin à habit to take the place of nai beating. Whenever you have urge to beat, do it instead. Some people like to drum their finger, twiddle their tombe, classe their hand, push their hand in their pocket, or just stare à their hand. Just make sure you know a bad habit, osa helpful on ta 2 et 1 realimatealité way, 1. Carry a rubber urban, penny, or something else to hold in your hand. Play with ta constantly in place of beating your nai. Distract your hands at time when you usually beat your nai, such a read, or when you're sitting in class. Find a new way to replace ta bee depending on where you are. If you're in class, focus on writing extremely to note. If you're in the passenger seat of a car, fiddle with your key. Try keeping an egg of CE putty with you. It fun to play with and it occupy your hand during beating prone time. Try keeping a quarter or te coin in your pocket, and play with it when you felt urge to beat your nai. Plus, thus don't involve yet in your shin on anything, so te will help break the habit of oral fixation. Distract your hand by taking up hobby. No only will the new hobby keep you from beating your nai, but you could also discover a new passion at the same time. A hobby to distract your hand might be making a model or maintaining your house, knitting or crocheting, finger knitting, running, or outdoor pursuit, or even a car en décoration. If you are artistic, try do un project with clay or plastic. ij alove yuran, ante flavor stein yurnai long afte yuage off en visible mez. Tebot taste bad, clétaste salti en can live as limit texture en place tes taste chalki, en dointe project will also keep your en busy. Keep your mood busy. To you should avoid developing a sur your oral fixation, a fez mal trick quand keep your mood busy en will que donne ta moins of team use beating your nai. There are something you can do. Chez gomme morsu combien candid true good day. Beating your nai will be to give your busy showing gomme or taking int flavor of a delicious sucking candy. Also, the sensation of your beaten eye mixing with the flavor of me anti-gomme orange flavored candy will just be gross. Snacks mal true good day. To you should avoid the snacking so much you en beginning vet, you should carry around delty snack like carrosti or celery so you can munch on them true good day. Carry around a water bot to le. Bring water with you wherever you go so you can always take a sip of water when you are having a big moment. Wear nail polish. Putting nail polish on your nail may help to discourage you from nibbling on them since a vibrant color can catch your attention and snap you out of your nail beating habit. You'll also have more motivation to avoid beating your nail since you on want to ruin tennis apprance. Chose à color you like so that you don't peel it off. Jet a design. T will make you no want to peel off the polish if you like to design. Make polishing your nail a hobby. If you keep nail polish on long nug, your nail will have a chance to grow back. Breaking tabion nail a team. Pick on a nail to protect a team. If you have on a nail a more damage than the rest, it might be in your best interest to start with the nail. If all nail apart some, ove, you can pick on in a you wish. If you find it difficult to break tabi à la once, working on nail a team can marketing easy be allowing you to slowly build better habit instead of demanding too much of yourself à la once. Go ahead with to beating a nail. You might be able to do so with to help, but if you need some extra assistance, consider wrapping an adhesive bandage around the finger tip of your chosen nail. Doing so should block your access to the nail, making it harder to beat it. Notice how much better a nail looks tant hotter. After a fade, an unbeaten nail will flourish and revere you. Do no beat your chosen nail during a time. If you must, beat on off the unprotected on. Some timid even help knowing that you have a not nail to beat, even if you don't actually nibble on unprotected on. Pick a not nail to stop beating. Once you have grown your non-beaten nail for a while, start protecting a not on. During a time, ove, important you leave but the first and second nail alone. You will then want to undo the good work you accomplished on the first nail be beating it after switching your focus to a new one. Repeat the process until you have successfully avoided beating all of your nail. If you ever really felt urge to beat your nail, don't reverse of the process by focusing on just on nail to beat. That should help you limit a moins of damage done to the nail.